So here's a very common essay question we see in the test. In many parts of the world, children are now given much more freedom than they used to have. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So let's look at a paragraph, which is an argument written by a candidate. So families should be more careful about their children, full stop, because if the child will have a very long free time and have a huge freedom, that will be a mistake. Childs play the video game too long and go late to the bed, which bad thing for child. Child can have not freedom. So, well, the first thing I'll say is we can understand what this person is saying. So they're giving an argument about why they think it is negative to give the child too much freedom, because they think the child will play video games too long and go to bed too late, which is bad. There is a real lack of vocabulary here, though. Child or childs, which is wrong, is repeated. You know, bad thing, have not freedom, freedom repeated, long is repeated. This is really a classic around the 5 level of vocabulary, not much there beyond the real basics. The first thing I'm going to do is take the original sentence, which looks like a topic sentence, but it's not clear, and make it a really clear topic sentence. Families should be careful about giving freedom to their children for 2 main reasons. And then I'm going to look at the first reason, obviously. So you can see here, it's really important to have a really strong, clear, accurate topic sentence. My next sentence, of course, is my clear argument. And I'm going to link that with the word firstly that refers back to the 2 main reasons. Here's the first one. Too much autonomy can be detrimental to their health. You can see here they've said which bad thing for child, right? And this is the kind of idea they're trying to express. It's bad for the child when they go late to bed and they play video games too much. So that's going to be the focus here of our argument, right? Can be detrimental to their health. Detrimental, a great word to mean bad for something. Okay, and autonomy I'm using as a synonym for freedom, so I don't have to repeat that word too many times. And next, of course, is my detail. In this case, it's an example, and I'm going to use a clear example linker. For example, teenagers without boundaries. Okay, without boundaries. Another way to say with too much freedom. May well play video games for extended periods, too much time. Meaning, again, a complex sentence giving the consequence, they could stay up late and suffer from sleep deprivation. This is the word we use when we talk about not getting enough sleep, which of course explains my idea of detrimental to their health. So you can see here with some better vocabulary and most importantly with better organization, topic sentence, argument with a linker, example with a linker, this paragraph suddenly becomes excellent.